students. So in this section we will solve question from the topic integral and from the subtopic integral under some special substitution. So the question is the integral 0 to 1 tan inverse 2x 1 minus x square dx. So we have to find the value of this integral and options are pi by 2 minus log 2, pi by 2 plus log 2, pi by 3 minus log 3 and pi by 2 minus 2 log 2. So since the integral is 0 to 1 tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square dx. So to solve this integral, put x equal to as tan theta. That means x equal to tan theta. On differentiating both sides, we will get dx is equal to the derivative of tan theta is sec square theta d theta, and the new limit will be at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, this will become 0 equal to tan theta. That means theta is also 0, and at x equal to 1, this will become 1 is equal to tan theta. At theta equal to pi by 4, tan theta is 1. So the value of theta is pi by 4. So the new limit will be 0 to pi by 4, and this is tan inverse 2. The x is tan theta. It is tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, and in place of dx put sec square theta d theta. It is equal to, on solving further, since 2 tan theta 1 minus tan square theta is equal to tan 2 theta. That is limit 0 to pi by 4 tan inverse tan 2 theta sec square theta d theta. Tan inverse tan 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. So this is limit 0 to pi by 4 2 theta sec square theta d theta. Now take 2 outside, then this will become 2 integral 0 to pi by 4 theta sec square theta d theta. To solve this integral, use, suppose u and v are two functions. Suppose this is first function and this is second function. Then integral of these two functions which are written in product form is first function u as this integral of second function v minus integral of derivative of first function, that is u dash, represented derivative of u, integral of second function, that is v. So it is the formula for finding the integral of two functions which are written in product form. So in the same way, consider theta is the first function and sec square theta is the second function, is equal to first function h dash, theta is h dash, the integral of sec square theta is tan theta minus integral derivative of first function, that is integral of second function sec square theta, that is tan theta d theta, and limits are 0 to pi by 4 is equal to 2 theta dot tan theta. The integral of tan theta is log of sec theta, and limits are 0 to pi by 4. On substituting limit, we will get 2 pi by 4 multiply 10 pi by 4. And minus log sec pi by 4 minus 0 tan 0. Tan 0 minus of minus log sec 0 is equal to 2. The value of 10 pi by 4 is 1. So 1 multiply pi by 4 is pi by 4 minus the value of sec pi by 4 is root 2. So it is log root 2 minus this is 0, and the value of sec 0 is 1, and the value of log 1 is 0. So this will become whole completely 0 minus 0. This is equal to, now take 2 inside the bracket, then we will get pi by 2 minus 2 log root 2. It can also be written as pi by 2 minus log root 2 square in power form. Since root 2 square is 2, so this will become pi by 2 minus log 2. That is, our answer is pi by 2 minus log 2. So option 1 is the correct answer. Thank you.